Let's create another shape here. Explore the more design. I will generate the other shape to have an attraction. We will choose our different shapes. I have to make it more attractive. Click on editing. Let's make a design there. Find a shape